What's up, guys? Check out the new look. Boom. Got some boggers on this bee. Super singles. It was the Hawaii's finest truck cruise this past weekend, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get that much content, like good enough to make a whole video of the cruise. But the cruise was packed and it was a super good turnout. There was like a lot of trucks out there, like pretty much everyone came out. If you're from Hawaii, the meetup was at Campbell Industrial and pretty much the whole Campbell was packed. But we had a good time. I didn't have a passenger with me, so it's kind of hard to record and drive at the same time. But whatever clips I did take, I'll throw them in this video so you guys can kind of see.
Could you please be honest? Did you think they would've noticed? You've been losing focus. There's a reason you feel hopeless. Try to find a place I can start it. Searching for my soul and my heart. Yeah, these times have been the hardest. And with time I'm drifting further. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Stuck on all the memories of the good days. Ain't been feeling right, tell the truth. Gotta do what I think I gotta do. Could you please be honest? Did you think they would've noticed? You've been losing focus. There's a reason you feel hopeless. I'm hoping to find what's missing. I'm hoping you'll stay to listen. Hoping I find my vision. Just hoping for some wisdom so I never get led astray. Cause everything worth the mention always got a price to pay. I'm just trying to seize the day. Why they judging my decisions like they even got a right to say? They ask what's good, but it's only cause they should and they don't wanna be rude. So please don't get it confused as I'm singing my blues, trying to heal up my wounds. Trying to heal up my wounds, concealing feelings so these vouchers they can never consume. I've been honest so they never could sue. Could you please be honest? Did you think they would've noticed? You've been losing focus. There's a reason you feel hopeless. Try to find a place I can start it. Searching for my soul and my heart. Yeah, these times have been the hardest. And with time I'm drifting further. Caught between a rock and a hard place.
Anyways, these are actually Josh's boggers and wheels, pretty much his wheels. So he has my forces. We kind of swapped wheels just for fun for a little bit, just so I could kind of see like how the truck performs with 35s, and I feel good with the 529s because I kind of feel like the 529s are a little over geared for 33s. And like whenever I'm driving on the freeway, my RPMs would kind of be like a little high. But with the 35s, they feel just right. So if you guys noticed on the video, on some of the clips I took, he has my forces on. But we're gonna be switching back like probably next week or something. Like this video if you guys think I should put some 35 boggers on the forces. Anyways, in today's video or episode, as you guys know how much I like the MicTuning white lights for when I did my amp steps I ended up ordering me some Rocklights. If you guys didn't see my other Rocklight video I did like a long time ago, check that out. We're pretty much gonna be following that install. But first off, I need to remove all of the old Rocklights and then put these guys. So what I'm gonna be doing is 8 piece, and a 4 piece. So it's like what, 20 piece chicken nugget. Right now I have a 8 piece on my truck, pretty much just one in each wheel well. That's already 4, and then one on each side, and then one in the back, and then one in the front, so another 4, so pretty much 8. But my plans with the 8-8-4 is 2 in each wheel well, so that's already 8, and 3 on the sides, 3 front and the back, I guess. So 20 piece chicken nugget. It's kind of hard to explain why, like there's so much lights, but I'm probably just gonna throw them on and then kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. I wanted to put like 3 on the sides because my one rock light is kind of like being blocked by the motor of the amp step, so it kind of casts a shadow. And I know people put 2, like 1 and 2, but if you have 2 lights on your sides and they're 2 different kits, so you put 2 colors, it'll kind of look off, like it's white in the front but blue in the back. So I wanted to put 3 so I could make it kind of like even out or look more proportionate, and make it probably like blue, white, blue, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know it's kind of hard to understand without seeing it, but hopefully you guys will know what I mean when we put these guys on. So yeah, first step is to remove all of the old rock lights and the wiring. So we'll get back to you guys. So we got the old rock lights out, and I unboxed the first 8 piece, which is all right here, and this is pretty much how they look right when you open the package. So it comes with your controller, hardware, your rubber grommets, and the 8 pieces. And I noticed that it comes with 4 like shorter lengths and 4 longer lengths, and the connections are all the same. So in this kit I'm pretty much gonna take all the longer ones and put them the farthest places from where the controller is gonna be, because I'm planning to mount the controller in the same place, which is like kind of right in the middle of the car, right underneath the driver's seat. And all the ones that I'm gonna put on the side, like that's like 6 already, and the one over here, the driver wheel wells, since I can just ride the frame and then come up, that's gonna be the shorter ones too. And then pretty much all the passenger side wells, I'm gonna use the longer ones, as well as for the front and the back. So I've distributed which lights go where. So like these are the shorter lights, and these 3 for the back are the longer ones, short ones for this side, long ones, and long ones. And if you guys notice, I taped the ends like a strip of electrical tape, different color, so I know which ones go to which controller. So this is the 8 piece, the other 8 piece, and the 4 piece. I made this diagram of where to put what. So say the purple is the 8 piece, the blue is the other 8-piece, and the pink is the 4-piece. And it's kind of hard to explain why I did it like this, and it's easier to see why when the lights are actually gonna be on. But the best way I can put it into words is, like, if you're planning to do 2 colors, say the pink and the purple is gonna be the same color and the blue is gonna be another color. If you guys can kind of imagine the pink being all purple, it'll kind of look more proportionate, you know what I mean? Rather than what I was saying earlier, if there's only 2 lights on the sides, like one of them is gonna be pink, the other one is gonna be blue, and it kind of look off. But in this case, there's purple here, blue, then purple again, and then blue, purple, and then blue, purple. You know what I mean? But you guys will just probably see it later on when it gets dark and when I get done. Hopefully not too late, because your boy still got work tomorrow. But yeah guys, so we're gonna go ahead and mount all of the lights in their specific areas that I planned for according to my diagram, and run our wires, tie them up, connect everything into here according to each color, and connect our power, which is right here. That pretty much just hooks up to positive and negative, or negative, yeah, negative and positive. And it also comes with a switch that's built into the wiring. But I'm just gonna leave the switch on the always on position like I did with my other one, so I can pretty much just straight up control it from my phone. So we'll catch you guys later. I also forgot to mention that I also ordered some wire loom off of Amazon. So it looks like this. Zip tie the individual wires. Once they all head together, throw it in the loom, just so it's cleaner with like just one loom running towards the controller rather than 3 separate wires. Yeah, I am finally done. Boom. Pull up the app. So you guys see the 3 different systems I have. So pretty much that was, oh, this is the blue, I think. So according to the tape that I put on the controller and each end of the wire, this is how it is. This is what is what. This what's what, I guess. Guys, it's like 11:30 at night and I'm tired. Anyways, this is pretty much how I ran it. So all the blues are the 4-piece. There's 1 blue here, no blue here, 1 blue there, the other side, and in the back. So on the app, there's something called group control. So I pretty much made a primary and secondary group. So these are my primaries. I connected the red and blue together, and the white is separate. So if I control my primary, make it pretty much this one, and that one is pink. And that one and that one is pink. The middle is white. Same goes for the other side. And the back. And if I press the secondary and make it blue, boom, got that cotton candy color.
I'm hoping you'll stay to listen. Hoping I find my vision, just hoping for some wisdom, so I never get led astray. Cause everything but the mention always got a price to pay. I'm just trying to seize the day. Why they judging my decisions like they even got a right to say they ask what's good, but it's only cause they should and they don't wanna be rude. So please don't get it confused as I'm singing my blues, trying to heal up my wounds. Trying to heal up my wounds, concealing feelings so these vouchers they can never consume. I've been honest so they never consume.
If you were to have just two lights on the sides, you know how there's pink, blue, and then pink? There would only be pink and blue. So it kind of wouldn't look proportionate because there's like a pink spot here and a blue spot there, rather than like kind of like a equal pattern. So that's the reason why I wanted to put 3 instead of just buying 2 8-piece kits. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, share videos, and subscribe. Peace.
Ain't been feeling right, tell the truth. Gotta do what I think I gotta do.